Antek Fartuch from CroatianSports.com. I just interviewed Steve Nash of the Phoenix Suns and asked his thoughts on the current status of Tottenham Hotspur and what he thinks is going to go on at Euro 2012 this summer. It's really quick, a quick Tottenham question. We know you're a lifelong fan and your parents are from North London. What do you attain this season's progress? They might make Champions League twice in 3 years now. Is it more Harry Redknapp or the core group of players right now?
Both. I mean, they have a really good squad, talented, athletic, skillful players, very good balance. And Harry Redknapp does a good job, I think, organizing them and keeping them motivated.
If he goes to England, would you welcome Jose Mourinho?
Of course. Anyone would take Mourinho.
And really quick, Luka Modric, where are Spurs this year if he goes to Chelsea in the previous summer?
Probably not in the top four. You know, he's our best player, so you know it'd be really tough to lose your best player when you're just trying to get in the Champions League.
You got Spain winning Euro or a third tournament in a row, or do you have a Germany, Netherlands in there? Who you got this summer?
I think Spain's still the favorite.
Vancouver, you got Latu. You guys are a hot start with Vancouver. Where are you guys going to finish this year? Strong in the playoffs?
Well, let's hope so. I mean, we're doing well so far, but it's a long season, and we're still an expansion team, so our experience has not been there in tough moments. But our guys have a great spirit this year. The coach has done a good job. We have a much deeper team, so I think we have high hopes.
Steve, thank you so much.